Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laura Jane. So in today's video, I am going to show you the items or baby items that I got from Walmart for free. So last June 2021, I was still pregnant, and then I decided to make a baby registry online. So I went to the website of Walmart, and then I found out that they have a baby registry. So I signed up to that. And then finally, this month, which is September 2021, I got the package from Walmart. And yeah, I actually didn't expect that they will send me this thing because I already forget about it. Because yeah, it took a long time, which is 3 months before I got this package from them. So yeah, so right now, I am going to show you what's inside the box. So let's get started. So first, they gave me this Aquaphor healing ointment. So it's a for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. And then I also got this Haggis sensitive wipes, Haggis brand, which is the diapers, prenatal multivitamins, anti-colic baby bottle, and then pacifier. They also gave me Baby Dove lotion. And then next is Triple Pace Zinc Oxide Diaper Rash Cream. So this is how it looked like. Smooth Performer shampoo, conditioner, and anti-freeze cream. So it's for the mother, it's for me. And then I also got this Teething Relief. It's a Camellia brand homeopathic medicine. That's it. And then another pacifier for the baby. And then I got this envelope, and I actually already opened this, and I'm going to show you what's inside. So it's cute. Can you see that? So 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So this is nice if you will take pictures for the baby's milestone. So you can use this as a backdrop or yeah, background to the picture of your baby. And then I got this little book, The Art of Feeding. Yeah, so I didn't read this yet. And then some coupons. Yeah, I got these coupons, baby coupons, and for mother also. So I think that would be all. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.